Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings. Then move to the Bluetooth and at the device list click the information icon near to your earbuds. At the third line, we have the button Disconnect, and you need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, you will totally remove them from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget this device button, not Disconnect. But now let's disconnect them. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection, but I still have them at the device list and I can easily reconnect these earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.